For amazing crab legs, a stop at the Crafty Crab in League City is a must. Come on in and let's take a look.
When you're traveling through Texas, you're bound to get hungry. Join Joe as he eats his way through the Lone Star State. This is Texas Chronicles Pit Stop with Joe Perez.
Today you're at the Crafty Crab in League City. So the Crafty Crab is such an amazing experience. It's really great for families and for date nights as well. What we really like to do is give people the experience of getting messy and having fun. So one of my favorite things that we do serve is going to be our seafood boil. In that you're going to have a few different options to choose from. We have blue crab, we have Dungeness crab, we have snow crab, as well as king crab. So you can always choose one of those options. And if you're not a fan of the crab legs, we do have shrimp, lobster, and a few other items as well, as mussels, clams, all that kind of good stuff. So we have something for everybody.
Look at that. So good.
So what is so much fun about here at Crafty Crab is the fact that we are just in a great experience to get messy and have fun all at the same time. We are about that messy experience that you don't really get to do all the time, and we want you guys to come in and have fun with us. And so we do not have regular silverware. We do have plasticware, but we just want you guys to really dig in, have fun, and really enjoy yourself. It's about getting that messy experience that you don't get to have everywhere else. So we are a great family environment here at Crafty Crab in League City. We love to have families come in with their children. We do celebrations on birthdays. We actually have a lot of fun when there's birthdays for families and things like that. We sing happy birthday. When the kids come in, they have lots of fun. We have lots of little things on the walls that really catches their attention. And it gets a lot of people coming back because it's a lot of fun. We do have a TV that is 10 by 12. It's a lot of fun for people to come in with a group of friends, whether it be men or women. We have a lot of people come in for a ladies' night or guys' night here in Crafty Crab in League City. We have a full bar. We have all sorts of drinks, whether it's fruity or if you want a little bit more with a punch, we have those as well. Okay, so we do have some amazing fried food options. One of my favorites is going to be our fried catfish and sweet potato fries. You can also do a mixture of shrimp in our fried fish as well, and some of our extra little sides that we do have. So you can find us at 112 Gulf Freeway North in League City. And then I did want to let you guys know that for every $60 you spend, you get one of our scratch offs. And that's going to be for something free on here. You just got to scratch it off and you see what's in there. Okay guys, we are so excited. We can't wait to see you and hope to see you soon.